how do you quantify what it's like to change the world with technology? And this is what it's going to do.
I wanted to develop a company to build on the work I did for 20 years running a program called SimX for DHS and DoD, using simulation technology to put operators in an environment so they believe they're there, collect data about why things happen, and then produce that data to the clients to explain to them, this is how you can prevent these bad things from happening. We're using the metaverse to understand why crisis situations happen, with the operators experiencing that crisis. It could range from things like school shootings, mitigating wildfires, mass casualty evacuation and treatment. Wherever there's a crisis, you can do an experiment around it using full dive virtual reality and examine why things happen. The centerpiece technology of IOPEX is the full dive virtual reality unit. That integration of all those technologies together, headsets, haptic gloves, bodysuit, 360-degree treadmill, game engine, over the cloud. That full dive virtual reality unit is key to making the IOPEXs realistic for the operators. The more the operators believe they're in the environment, the more valuable the findings from the experiment.
The fact is that you really can only run repeated experimentation in a virtual setting, and the immersion provided by IOPEX is a necessary component of generating useful data.
We're able to capture a bunch of different types of peripherals and bring it all into one single recording that you could get an overview of the entire experiment.
The idea of bringing the entire human experience into the digital realm and being able to discern and determine how much of the human experience is a part of that, and then get all that data and work together with it, it's going to fundamentally do a paradigm shift across the board.
And I think that IOPEX is actually a bit of a window into the future for this technology because of the way that they're integrating all the various hardware, each piece of which provides an extended level of immersion.
Up until this point, everybody's focused on their specific hardware or their specific solution. And it's just so exciting to be a part of a project that's finally putting it all together.
A company called Recolute is doing my data science. They'll be doing design of experiment. Another company called XR Decisions, they'll be doing my crisis analysis for me. In addition, there's a company called ShinyBox that is going to be doing my VR development, integrating all these various systems together. Another company is MaceVL. They're the heart and soul of the company, and MaceVL will be integrating the hardware to make sure it all works well together. With all these companies working with me, it's going to be a journey. It takes a while to make things real.
We're not just making experiments interesting. We're not just bringing new data sets about, but we're truly saving lives with this technology.